Hi, my name is Pauline Yogi and I'm from Kolkata. I would like to say a few words about Pramod ji. I'm taking his consultation for more than a year now, and he has been very kind and he has guided me with his expertise all the time. And he has become a biggest pillar of my life whenever I feel that there is some problem or I need to know about the directions of my life. I consult him, and the services he has provided me is phenomenal, and I have seen them working, and I am now walking on the path he has guided me. And that path is really important for me because spiritually, or if you talk about mental peace, I have achieved that under the guidance of Pramod ji. And I would like to say that he's giving a professional service, but he's always available whenever I have spoken to him, whenever I have messaged him. He's always there to offer his guidance and support. I wish you all the best, Pramod ji, and take my sincere regards. Thank you so much.